Calendar Club Challenge, day number 25, run number 1, 8 miles in the books. You're gonna do the map of my run or a picture of my watch up here. And short run this morning, just because today I have a very packed day from 8:30 to 2:30. I have the 1-day prep course for my real estate license exam, and then around 4:30 I'm leaving to Sacramento to visit my parents. So today is one of those days where I am going to get my runs in whenever I can. 8 miles here, 2 miles here, 1 mile here, wherever I can, but I will for sure hit 25 by the end of the day. Currently in the middle of my 1-day test prep for my real estate license, and originally she said, I'm gonna give you 40 to 45 minutes for lunch. I was like, okay, perfect time, because I can knock out a 5K for Goku Runners virtual 5K, perfect. And then when it gets to the time, she's like, just kidding, 30 minutes. I'm like, oh, jeez. Okay, I have to book it and come back, and I definitely can't walk, and I could definitely do a 5K in under 30 minutes, but I was like, my knees are going to feel it. I kind of want to walk, so I just ran it. I'm going to throw the map of the run or a picture of the watch up here, and a little under 27 minutes. I think it was like 26:18 or something like that. So definitely no walking, and I might pay the price for my knees in a bit, but I got it done. Shout out to you, Goku Runner, got your virtual 5K in. Run number 3 for the day, 7.4 miles. And woo, it's been a jam-packed day. Going to throw a picture of my watch up here. Whew, I'm tired. Last run out of the day, run number 4 at my parents' place on the treadmill, 6.5 miles, and proof right here. And this video is just to show you all that I ran 25 miles today. No Q&A, no topic of the day, because I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna go hang out with my family. See ya tomorrow.